Hey guys, we're going to talk about dividing by polynomials. Some of your teachers might call this synthetic division. What we're going to might take a little bit longer to get to the answer, but it'll get us the answer the correct way every single time without question. So how we do this is we have two numbers here, which means I'm going to divide only to the first two numbers here. So I'm looking at this leading one of x squared. How do I get my leading one of x to x squared? Well, if I multiplied both by x, I could do that. So x times x is x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x. Then I change the symbols. So since it's positive, I change them to negatives. And then I just subtract. These cancel. I'm left with 7x. Then I bring down this 21. Now I'm looking at how many times does this go into that. And I need to change to get to a 7x. So how can I change this x to 7x? Well, I can multiply it by 7. So 7 times x is 7x. Then 7 times 3 is 21. Then I change the symbol. They're both positive, so I subtract. And then they both cancel. So to get to x squared plus 10x plus 21, what I had to do originally was x plus 3 times x plus 7. To see another one, whatever it's being divided by goes in front, and then this goes inside. We like to organize them by exponents, so I'm going to do to the third power, second power, first power, and then constant. And again, I'm looking at these two only to these two. So I'm looking, how do I get this 3x to turn into 6x to the third? Well, I could do 2 to do 2 times 3 to get to 6. And then 2 to this x, we need to get to an x to the third. So I'm thinking x squared, because x2 and x1 makes x to the third. So then I do that to the other one. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, then x squared. These are going to cancel, okay? And then this needs to turn into a positive because we're changing it to a subtraction problem. So this is now 3x squared minus 5x. So now I have these two compared to these two. What do I multiply 3x to get to 3x squared? Plus x. So I have x times 3x, which is 3x squared. Then x minus 2 is negative 2x. Then I change the symbol so it's negative and positive. And I'm left with 3x plus 4. Now, how do I get 3x to go into 3x? Well, I can just multiply it by 1. And 1 times 3x is 3x. And then 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. But because it's a subtraction problem, I change the symbols. And these cancel. And I'm left with 6. So my final answer would be 2x squared plus x plus 1 plus 6 divided by 3x minus 2. This would be my remainder for my problem.